Today we'll show you how to install a Draw-Tite custom trailer hitch, part number 76432. This hitch application will fit the following makes and models of vehicles. For this video, we'll be installing the hitch on a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all parts included in the instructions. For this installation, we will be using the following tools. We also recommend wearing safety equipment. Before beginning the installation, you will need to remove the vehicle's rear fascia. Start with an 8mm socket and remove the screw from the lower rear side of the wheel well on both sides. Then, remove the rivets above the screw you just removed on each side. From there, use your 10mm socket to remove the uppermost screw on each side of the vehicle, along with the 2 bolts near the spare tire that are holding the fascia to the bumper beam. Placing a bit of masking tape on the body of the vehicle, right above the wheel well, will help protect the paint if you are worried about it chipping. Once that's in place, pull the wheel well cover out slightly and use a 7mm socket to remove the screw that is located underneath the cover. Do this on both sides of the vehicle. Moving back to the rear of the vehicle, use a T30 Torx bit to remove the 2 screws under the hitch door near the brake lights. Once those are out, use a plastic trim tool to pop out the push rivets or plastic retainer clips at the inside of the driver's side taillight. Once the pair of rivets are removed, carefully take off the taillight and unplug the wiring. Then, with the help of a friend, carefully pull the fascia away from the vehicle and unplug the wiring that is connected to the inside of the fascia. Set the fascia aside. You will reinstall it later. Then, put the taillight back using the rivets that you previously removed to hold it in place. Your next step is to lower the exhaust. First, fasten a hanger strap under the vehicle to act as a support. Then, take off the rubber exhaust hangers and gently lower the exhaust down onto the strap. Using soapy water as a lubricant and exhaust removal pliers will make this step easier. Then, use a 21mm socket to remove the bolts from the bumper beam on each side and carefully take the bumper beam off. Now you're ready to install the hitch. Move the hitch back to a flat surface. Using a pull wire, feed a carriage bolt and spacer into the mounting holes. Do this for all 3 holes on each side of the hitch. Then, raise the hitch into position. It may be helpful to have a third set of hands. Feed the pull wires through the frame rail holes while sliding the hitch into position. Be sure to align the holes in the hitch with the attachment holes on each side of the vehicle. Once the hitch is fully inserted and the bolts and spacers are in place, remove the pull wires and loosely install a conical washer and hex nut onto each bolt to secure the hitch to the frame. Do this for the bolts on both sides. Then, tighten all 6 of the 1/2" 13 grade 5 fasteners with the torque wrench to 75 foot-pounds. For some makes and models, trimming of the fascia is required before it can be reinstalled on the vehicle. To find the area that needs to be cut or trimmed, a tape measure and masking tape would be most helpful. Note that each vehicle is different and thus the amount of trimming needed may vary. Be sure to measure and mark the fascia before making any cuts. Once the masking tape is in place, use a cutoff wheel or other plastic trimming tool to carefully remove the marked part of the fascia and smooth out any rough edges. Moving back to the vehicle, reattach the muffler's rubber hangers, remove the exhaust support strap, and reinstall the rear fascia. Be sure to reattach the electrical that hides behind the fascia that was unplugged earlier in the installation. Once that's done, reinstall the wheel well hardware that you removed before the installation, the wheel well covers, and the T30 screws located near the taillights. Then secure the fascia by using a cable tie to attach it to the hitch center section. and you're done. This concludes the installation for a Draw-Tite custom trailer hitch on this 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee, part number 76432. For more information on this and other great Draw-Tite products, visit draw-tite.com.